Welcome to Module 10, AI Agents, your digital execution team. This is where AI moves from interesting tool to real business leverage. An AI assistant helps you think. An AI agent helps work move forward. That distinction matters because a one-person empire cannot scale on motivation alone. It needs repeatable systems that reduce friction, protect time, and help you execute without becoming the entire bottleneck in a blazer. In this module, we are talking about AI agents as your digital execution team. They do not just answer, they act inside a defined structure. They can research, draft, summarize, organize, trigger workflows, prepare reports, support content, and help run repeatable business tasks. But here's the grown up version. Agents are not magic employees. They need direction, they need rules, they need boundaries, they need review. You delegate, they deliver, but you still lead. Delegation is leverage, automation is freedom. AI agents are how empires scale. This module shows you how to use AI agents, autonomous or semi autonomous systems, to delegate tasks, run workflows, and get real work done while you focus on growth. We will cover what AI agents are, what they can do, how to use them responsibly, and how to begin building your own agent team. The point is not to build a complicated robot circus. The point is to identify work that repeats, structure it clearly, and give AI a defined role inside that process. That could mean a research agent that gathers and summarizes information, a content agent that turns one idea into multiple assets, a lead generation agent that organizes prospects for review, a support agent that answers frequently asked questions from your approved knowledge base. The goal is simple: less manual drag, more intelligent leverage. Build agents, delegate the busy work, scale your impact. An AI agent is a system that can understand a goal, plan steps, use tools and data, take action, and deliver results with minimal human input. That does not mean no human input. Please do not unleash an unsupervised digital gremlin into your business and call it innovation. It means the system can move through a structured process instead of waiting for you to prompt every tiny step. A basic chatbot responds to a question. An agent works toward a defined outcome. For example, instead of asking AI, "Can you summarize this meeting?" every time, you could design a meeting summary agent that receives the transcript, extracts decisions, identifies action items, flags risks, and formats everything into your project system. Agents do not just chat, they execute. Let's separate assistants from agents. An AI assistant responds when you ask. It usually handles one task at a time. It is reactive. It needs frequent input. It is excellent for support. An AI agent works toward a goal. It can complete multiple steps. It can be proactive with the boundaries you set. It can run with less input, especially when the workflow is clear. Assistants help you think. Agents help you do. Both are useful. The mistake is expecting one to behave like the other. Your personal AI assistant for Module 8 is your thinking partner and command center. Your business agent is more specialized. It has a narrower job, clearer instructions, defined tools, boundaries, and an expected output. Assistants are broad support. Agents are structured execution. AI agents matter because time is the most expensive asset in a one-person business. Agents can save massive amounts of time. They can increase output and consistency. They can run 24/7 without burnout. They can scale your capacity without hiring too soon. They can reduce costs and increase margins. That is not small. A solo operator has limits. You have limited hours, energy, attention, and decision capacity. Agents help protect those resources by handling repeatable execution work. But agents are most valuable when the work is clear. If your process is chaotic, an agent will not magically make it elegant. It will just automate the chaos with confidence, which is rude and expensive. Agents do not get tired, they just get better when the operator gets clearer. AI agents are useful anywhere the work is repeatable, rule based, data driven, or structured. They can research and summarize, create and publish content drafts, support lead generation and outreach preparation, collect and analyze data, support customer service and Q&A, handle scheduling reminders, organize files and data, assist with e-commerce operations. That does not mean every task should be fully automated. It means many tasks can be supported, drafted, organized, or prepared by an agent. Think of an agent as a focused worker inside one lane. It does not need to run your whole company. It just needs to reliably help with one valuable workflow. If it is repeatable, rule based, or data driven, an agent may be able to support it. Let's make this practical. A research agent can find information, summarize it, organize sources, and prepare a briefing. A content agent can write, edit, repurpose, and publish content drafts for review. An outreach agent can find leads, draft personalized messages, and prepare follow ups. A support agent can answer FAQs, handle tickets, and escalate anything complex. A data agent can track reports, analyze metrics, and surface patterns. Notice the pattern. Each agent has a defined job. We are not asking one agent to become the CEO, therapist, copywriter, accountant, and emotional support raccoon. No, we give each agent a lane. Your empire runs smoother when each system knows exactly what it is responsible for. Here is the simple agent build framework. Step 1. Define the goal and desired outcome. Step 2. Plan the steps, tools, and information needed. Step 3. Build the agent by configuring instructions, tools, and data sources. Step 4. Test the agent by running examples, checking outputs, and fixing gaps. Step 5. Deploy it carefully and monitor performance. This is not a one and done process. You build it once, then you refine it. Then you let it run inside a safe, clear boundary. The goal is not to impress yourself with complexity. The goal is to create a working system. Define, plan, build, test, deploy. That is how you turn AI into business infrastructure. There are many tools that can help you build AI agents or agent-like workflows. ChatGPT, custom GPTs can help create no-code agents that handle tasks and workflows. No code means you don't have to know how to code. Zapier can connect apps and automate actions. Make can build advanced automations and integrations. Agent GPT and Auto GPT style tools can run autonomous task loops. NAN is useful for open source workflow automation. Airtable can support database and automation workflows. Notion AI can help with knowledge bases and task support. The tool is not the strategy. The tool is just the vehicle. Your job is to choose the right tool for the right job. Start with the workflow first, then choose the platform system. Do not collect tools like shiny coins in a dragon cave. Use the right tool for the right job. Delegating to an agent works the same way good delegation works with a human. Clarity first. Be specific about the goal. Give clear steps and context. Provide examples and data. Set quality standards. Define what the agent should do if it is unsure. Schedule or trigger the agent at the right moment. Then review and improve over time. Garbage in, garbage out. Always. If your instructions are vague, your output will be vague. If your context is thin, the agent will fill in gaps in ways you may not like. Clear instructions plus great context creates great results. Delegation is not dumping. Delegation is designing. Here are the best practices. Start with small, simple tasks. Document everything. Use templates and SOPs. Monitor performance regularly. Add human oversight. Keep security and privacy in mind. Iterate and upgrade your agents over time. Do not start with the highest risk task in your business. Start with something useful, narrow, and easy to review. Good early agent tasks include summarizing calls, organizing notes, drafting content, researching leads, creating checklists, or preparing reports. As you gain confidence, you can expand. The best agents are not built through fantasy. They are built through testing. Iterate, optimize, scale. Let's talk about the mistakes. Making instructions too vague, trying to automate everything at once, not testing before full deployment, ignoring the edge cases, not monitoring or updating agents, giving agents access they do not need. These mistakes create risk. Remember, your agent is only as safe and useful as the system around it. Do not automate trust-sensitive communication without approval. Do not let agents send promises to clients without review. Do not let them make financial, legal, or reputation level decisions unsupervised. Build smart. Test. Monitor. Protect your empire. Automation should reduce chaos, not scale it. AI agents are powerful, but they do not remove the need for leadership. You set the vision, you set the standards. Agents handle the execution. Together, you create leverage that compounds. This is the shift. You stop being the person who touches every tiny task and start becoming the person who designs the machine. That's a different level of business maturity. Your lane is high-level thinking, strategic leadership, quality control, relationship trust, and deciding what actually matters. Focus on the 20% that moves the needle. Delegate the 80% that creates drag. High-level thinking, strategic leadership, that is your lane. Here is an example. A content creation agent. This agent could research trending topics, write outlines, draft content, create image prompts, build and publish a blog or social platform with approval, report performance. One agent, endless output, consistent and on brand. But notice the structure. It is not just making content. That is too vague. It has a workflow. Research, outline, draft, design, schedule, report. It has boundaries. It follows a brand voice. It uses approved topics. It submits drafts for review before publishing. This is how an agent becomes useful, not because it is magical, because the workflow is clear. What gets measured gets improved. Track time saved. Measure task completion rate. Check the quality of outputs. Monitor business impact. Collect feedback. Optimize workflows. Scale what works. If an agent saves 5 hours a week, that matters. If it reduces errors, that matters. If it helps you publish more consistently, respond faster, or organize better, that matters. But you will not know unless you measure. Every agent should have a simple performance standard. Is it saving time? Is it improving quality? Is it reducing friction? Is it helping the business move? Measure, review, improve. Here is your action step. Choose one repetitive task. Write the goal and desired outcome. Map the steps and tools needed. Build or configure your first agent. Test it. Review the results. Optimize it. Then, once it works, build your next agent. Try not to build an entire AI workforce today. Build one useful agent, one narrow workflow, one repeatable outcome. That is how leverage begins. Build, delegate, scale, repeat. Build agents, build systems, build your empire.